Suresh Withana is with me in the studio this afternoon. He's, of course, from Harmony Capital, the investment advisor for Adamas Finance Asia. Suresh, great to see you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Andrew. Nice to be here.
Well, look, a new year and a new investment for you. PharmaJet, tell us a bit more about them.
Well, we just announced this morning that we've reached an agreement with PharmaJet, which is I'd say one of the world's leading developers of injection or needle-free injection technology. So this is a company that's developed and is commercializing products across the world. And now they're looking to focus on Asia, and as part of that, Adamas Finance Asia is going to act as an anchor investor in a convertible bond, which will hopefully help them execute their strategy further.
They're a private company at the moment.
That's correct. They're actually originally based in the US, in Colorado, developed all their technology over the last 10 years, and now they've commercialized it. They've entered into a relationship with Mundi Pharma, which is a well-known Asian healthcare company, to help them distribute their product across Asia and other emerging markets. They're also in a relationship, and this is publicly available information, with the World Health Organization. So they're really moving forward in a very big way, and we're hopefully going to help them do that even more.
And considering, I understand, an IPO in Asia in the near term.
Yes, that's their stated objective at the moment. Obviously, market conditions prevailing, etc. We'll see how that works out, but that's certainly their intention. Yes.
And you're looking to invest how much in PharmaJet?
Well, we've announced that we are acting as a lead investor, as the anchor investor, investing up to $5 million in a total fundraise of between 12 to 20 million US dollars by the company. We've structured it as a convertible bond, a pre-IPO convertible bond. It has a 4-year maturity, a 10% interest rate coupon, and also obviously conversion into the equity of the company, which hopefully will bring us good upside if that company does ultimately IPO. So we're very excited by this new investment.
Well, just remind us, as far as PharmaJet's concerned itself, how it fits into the Adamas strategy.
Well, it's very interesting. The best way to look at this is that the company's injection technology is used particularly for vaccinations. And so, for example, it's worked with the World Health Organization, as I said, in polio vaccination programs. And vaccinations are something that's always going to be in demand because the world population is growing, albeit at around 1.1%. Now, when you translate that to Asia, the demand for vaccination programs in Asia is growing at somewhere in the order of 20 to 30% per annum, because governments are spending more and more money to help immunize their populations. And also, naturally, as Asia continues to grow and become more prosperous, people seek more healthcare products, and one of them is immunization for children in particular. So Asia is really a growth area for the immunization sector. PharmaJet has identified that. They've teamed up with Mundi Pharma, and now they're looking for finance partners who can help them execute that vision. And we're very privileged to be part of that now.
And Adamas, of course, sector agnostic, but this is your second healthcare investment.
It is. I think, as we've discussed before, we're sector agnostic. We look across Asia, across sectors. However, one of the things that keeps coming to us in terms of thematics is healthcare, because with a population that's aspirational, that's growing, that's becoming more affluent, healthcare is certainly a focus, and so therefore the opportunities in our pipeline are starting to reflect that, but amongst other sectors, of course.
Well, speaking of the pipeline, of course, you've got a strong team on the ground looking at opportunities, bringing these possibilities to your attention.
Indeed, we have actually 3 offices, one here in London, obviously, and 2 in Asia, Singapore and Hong Kong. The team's been very, very busy. We ended actually 2018 announcing a new investment in a different sector, in the property sector, and now we've started 2019 with a new announcement. So, as I said, it's exciting times. Our pipeline is actually very robust at the moment, looking at transactions, potential investments across Asia, all the way from Australia to Japan, Philippines, Korea, Indonesia, places like that. So we are very busy, and we're very excited about potentially what 2019 has in store for us.
And a sign of potentially what we can expect deal-wise over the year ahead?
Indeed. I mean, we are focused on executing the investment policy for our client, Adamas Finance Asia. And to that end, the real focus right now is deploying capital, finding these exciting opportunities with an income component as well as a capital gain component, which is exactly what PharmaJet represents to us. And so, I think that we're going to hopefully see a lot more opportunities coming up.
Always good to see you. Suresh, thanks for your time.
Thank you, Andrew.